Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum. As I told you, I will start session on Postgres database as well. So that is my first session on Postgres database. In my first session, I will install the Postgres database on a Linux operating system. So these are the steps we will perform to install the Postgres database. So let's start how we can install the Postgres database. Okay, so prerequisites are we need to store the operating system Linux, Oracle Linux or Red Hat Linux. Okay, just install the operating system on your virtual machine or your physical machine. Okay, after that just need to follow these steps to install the Postgres database from the start. Okay, these two commands to mount your CD-ROM to your VM or your physical machine. The ISO file of your operating system. Okay, just copy. Okay, create a directory of CD-ROM and just mount this CD-ROM on this directory. Now after that we have to stop the firewall. You can also define the port was for the basic installation. We just start from the stop the firewall. Okay, let's stop the firewall. Now after that we need to install the Postgres RPM. Yes, these install the Postgres RPM. Now Postgres has been successfully installed. Okay. Now after that we need to configure the Postgres database. This will initialize the Postgres database. Okay, just execute it. To create the initialized database on this path. Okay, we can change the default path, but for the first installation we just go with the default settings. Now it has been successfully executed. Now we need to enable some addresses which we have to allow the Postgres database. Okay, just copy this listen address in the last of your, just find listen. Okay, and this lesson address and just copy this command in it. Okay, and save it. Second, we need to define this host configuration as well for the Postgres. We will discuss what this. Now just follow these steps for installation of Postgres database and just paste this configuration in the bottom of this file. Okay, save this file. Now let's start the Postgres process. Now it has been started, and also enable this. Now it has been enabled. Just move on the Postgres user and this PSQL command. Okay, just change the password of PostgreSQL. Password has been changed. Now create a test database. Database has been created. Now create a user. So also we created. Now we need to assign the privileges to this user. This has been granted. Now execute exit /q. Now we have successfully installed Postgres, and we have successfully created the user. We have successfully created a database on the Postgres server. Okay, now we have to now we are going to connect this database to my client machine. Okay, this is my client machine. I'm going to connect this Postgres database to my client machine. The Postgres installed on the Linux, and I will connect this database to my Windows machine. Okay, this is my Windows machine. This is a PowerShell for the Windows machine. Okay, now for that we have to install the Postgres client. Okay, now this is the setup. You can download the Postgres setup from the Postgres website. Okay, just double click on it. Okay, just press next. This is the directory. Okay, just select these two. Okay, pgadmin4 and command line. Press next, and then next, and next. Now setup is installing. So we have created the user, and now currently we are installing the Postgres client. Now installation is going to finish. Now client has been Postgres client has been installed successfully. Now just finish it. Okay, just come on the PowerShell. I've installed my Postgres on this path. cd this. Okay, and this command use this is PSQL. This is user which we create over there. The user this. My database name is test1, and -h is my database server IP address. Okay, just copy this. Okay, just use this. Now I have successfully connect with my Postgres database. Okay, just create a table created. Or now just perform the select statement. So in this session we have successfully installed the Postgres database on a Red Hat Linux, and we have successfully connect this database to my client machine. Okay, so I hope this session will be more helpful for you, and in my next session we will continue the other options of Postgres databases.